Break ID number 3908. 2018 Topps Inception Baseball 1-box break. Second box added if we pull a 1 of 1. This has combo spots based on hit count. Oh, that's all Robert. So there's no PC teams in a combo spot break. Hey, Daniel. So I don't even need to run it. It's all you, Robert. Still, we'll get the 1 of 1 $100 bounty if we pull one and a second box. Mike Trout, Joe Jimenez, Eric Fedde, George Springer, and magenta auto, Mike Clevenger /99. Anthony Rizzo, green. And Francisco Lindor, parallel /25. All right. Thank you, Robert.